Good afternoon, sir. I am Cleo Picarin, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneur TOE. I am glad to present to you what factors can influence the pricing system. There are different factors can influence the pricing system. The main factors are product cost, utility and demand, extent of competition in the market, government and legal regulation, pricing objective, and marketing method use. The most important factors affecting the price of a product is its cost, because product cost refers to the total of fixed costs and variable costs and semi-variable costs incurred during the production, distribution of and selling of the products. Fixed costs are those costs which remain fixed at all levels production or sales. For example, rent, building, and salary. Variable cost refers to the cost which is directly related to the level of production or sales. For example, the cost of raw materials. And the price per commodity is determined on the basis of the total cost. So sometimes while entering a market or launching a new product, business firm has to keep its price below the cost level. But in the long run, it is unnecessary for a firm to cover more than its total cost if it wants to survive amidst cutthroat competition. The second is the utility and demand. Usually, consumer demand more units of products when its price is low and vice versa. However, when the demand or a product is elastic, little variation in the price may result in large changes in quantity demand. Those both utility and demand for a product affect its price. The third is extent of competition in the market. Di yun siya mawala when you start a business. The next important factor, the the price for a product is the native and degree of competition competition in the market. A firm can fix any price for its product if the degree of competition is low. However, when the level of competition is very high, the price of a product is determined on the basis of a price of competitors' product, the feature and quality and each. And the fourth of factors can influence the pricing system is government and legal regulation. The firm which have monopoly in the usually charge which price for their products, and in order to protect the interests of the product, the government intervenes and regulates the price of the commodities for this purpose. It declares some products are essential products, for example, life savings drug and each. And the five is pricing objective. Another important factors is the pricing objective. Following are the pricing objectives of any business are profit maximization. Usually the product usually this objective of the business is maximized to profit. During short run, a firm can earn maximum profit by changing high price. During long run, a firm reduce prices per unit to capture bigger share of the market, and earn hence earn high product through increased sales. And the second objectives is obtaining market share leadership. If the first objective is to obtain a big market share, it keeps the price per unit low so that there is an increase in sales. And the third is surviving in a competitive market. Kung kinsa ang makasurvive sa mga marites. Surviving in competitive market, it is a firm is not able to face the competition and is and is and it is finding difficulties in surviving. It may try to liquidate its stock, even BOP or best of obtainable price. And the last objective is attaining product quality leadership. Generally, firms changes higher price to cover high quality and high cost of its back of above objective. And the last factors is marketing and method use. The various marketing marketing method such as distribution system, quality of salesman, advertising, types of packaging, customer services, and each also affect the price of the product. For example, a firm will charge high profit it is using expensive materials for packaging its product. And that's all, sir. Thank you.